mob.
Fuck you talking about?
Tommy boys. Touch money shit, you know what I'm saying? We back. See money. Good looking for this one.
boys back
Got my
home too.
Moon with me. The goons with me. Let's go. Money, cars, and clothes. That's all a nigga know.
Shout out to Kadon TV, man. All Flamers shit. Allflamers.com. Man, tuned in, man. It went down. It's the same place it went down at. You know what I'm saying? They should have caution tape around here for the shit that happened last night. Don't play with nobody, but shout out to him too. Shout out to K.I. Yeah. See the music. I do this shit for Philly, man. So anybody else that y'all know where y'all get y'all swag from and all that, like y'all know, man. Listen. Shout out to Eam, he on his way down here. Shout out to Dig. Mike right here. Moming right here. Everybody else in the background. They around, you know what I'm saying? But we ain't just rapping, we be out trapping. All night blocks cracking. Got it in. Playing and sell like a 5 to 10. I ain't on my block, then I'm OT with them 5 for 10s. Down for dubs, trapping. I grind more than you grinding clubs. Night to the morning pop with white crack rock. More like a Reebok, got it pumping with them black tops. Stay up in that trap spot with that Mac no laptop. Case a nigga act up, he gon' get his ass popped. ASAP. Never late that. It's curtains for whoever riding with you. No Maybach. So my advice, if it's a tab, you better pay that. I'm coming where you stay at, like you forgot to pay that. Mean that when I say that. Try me if you want. Shells hit your back, go through your front. For them dollar bills, goons gon' put your dumb ass in the trunk, cause I needs that. Now where that cheese at? All life for mine, put it on the line like a free throw. I'm by my shine, by my light, no Pico. Underdog, but can they do this like me? No, be snapping when I gator when I'm rapping Tim Tebow. Be on the D-low, that's why they ain't hit me flow. In a minute, but I'm back in the lab like chemists, always about that next digit. Money, underground, but not trying to be the king like Bumby. I just want to get this money, don't need chickens to love me. I done took farce harder than Humpty, so I know just who to trust me. Still that bull, I don't even know that shit, that's new shit. That shit on that warm-up shit, I ain't even recorded yet. You know what I'm saying? Mommy got some bars though. Then we get to some interview shit later. Give him some, Mom.
Hey yo, pockets chunky monkey full of Jackson Grants and Benjamins. Rubber band the long way, bulging out my citizens. We're flying off the skeleton. Time that I get it in, come straight from the source. I don't do what you mock him in the middle, man. You hating, you don't like me, nigga. Diddle that. I could get him clean, pull a string, nigga. Fiddle them. The club seen you mug me, stop you with my Timberlands. The girlies say I gotta go down, they see me, they start giggling. Stressing on the bitch like it's more of me, it's more of them. It's about to call for with them and let the Goonies score with them. This is I got the juice, you got a cup, we'll pour it in. Listen, drink a couple ounces and the G's on me. And get screwed up, that Mr. Clark that lean on me. And get screwed up, that Mr. Clark that lean on me. You know that I'm a G, but my image clean it up. Paints ain't sagging cause that Gucci butter keep them up. You know I keep them up, and I keep that heater tuck. You niggas think you creeping up, I let that drum clip beat them up. Now peep my swag and how I do me, baby. I'm in my bag like Louis made me. One of a kind, I'm a gun like a 9, but I shoot like a dozen. Bird, but it ain't got shit to do with no feathers. Word, I ain't got no picks, I shoot at whoever. Catch him on the wrong night with his girl his own side. Gunshot, blow, knock him out his own nights. I knock him out his own nights.
Talking big shit that grabs like your mama. Extend the clips longer than the pack of mama. I'ma tell you niggas right now, I ain't for it, no. Plus I know your people can't afford it. Funeral shit. You the bitch, I got the word like a thesaurus. Can't be far from your crib, you like a correlate. Get it together. Niggas funny on these cameras, Martin Lawrence. Rapping about they riding, but they fake as they insurance. They broke. Riding on E, no petrol. Flunky